Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel, Katie So Curly. If you are new here, before you even continue watching, just go down and subscribe. So for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing something for the first time. I've been wanting to do a ponytail on myself for the longest, like actually put on a straight ponytail, sleek my hair back. I've always wanted to like go professionally get it done, but I feel like I have the opportunity of doing it myself. And imagine if I'm like really a beast at doing it, then is over. So as I said, this is the first time I'll be trying this, so I really hope that it comes out the way I'm picturing it in my head. So let me tell y'all where I got this from, because y'all not even gonna believe me. I bought the ponytail off of Amazon. Yes, Amazon. Let me tell you, this ponytail is beast. It is so soft. So when I first received the package, it came in here, like in this plastic bag. I just took it out because, you know, I was really like anxious and I needed to see it, touch it, all of that. But I kept the box so that I can show you guys what it looks like. This says it's a 24-inch. I didn't even notice. That should be interesting. So the ponytail is in here and I'm really excited, guys, because this ponytail is really nice and soft. I really want this to turn out good, guys. I really do, because if it turns out good, then that's it. That's gonna be my hairstyle for like a good 3 days. The first thing I'm gonna do is part my hair to the side. I'm gonna do the side just because I'm used to it. Like every time I do a ponytail or a bun, I always part my hair to the side. If you guys want to do it in the middle, then by all means, do it wherever you want. I'm gonna take my spray bottle here, and what I have inside is just water and then a little bit of the 3-Minute Miracle Curls Deep Conditioner. So as you can see, I really focused on like my roots because that's what I'm gonna have to sleek down. And now I'm gonna apply my favorite gel, which is the Eco Styler Professional Styling Gel with olive oil. This is a very important part that a lot of people don't know about, is that when you have curly hair and you want to sleek down your hair, before you pass like the brush to sleek it down, you need to pass your detangler brush. So this is mine, this is Revlon, and basically I'm just gonna go from my root to like where my bun or ponytail, whatever, is gonna end up. So I'm gonna do a low one. So I don't need to like brush the whole thing, just until like this point. If you guys skip this step, it's not gonna look the same. I promise you, I guarantee you that. So now you take your brush. This is mine, I got it off Amazon. I think it's a soft medium brush, or medium hard. Medium hard. And all those white flakes, guys, don't worry, that's just conditioner and gel like mixing, and then the brush, it just makes it look flaky. All you have to do is like literally like pass your hand through it and it'll come off. Like, it's no big deal. Just wait till the end until you finish to do that. Since I have a lot and thick hair, I like to use big and stretchy hair ties. I know you guys see that I have a lot of hair right here, so what I'm going to do is I'm gonna wet it so that it gets basically like, you know, like nice and small, and I'll be able to do a small bun, because if I make a bun with this, it's gonna be huge. I know you guys can tell how soft this looks, how soft this feels. Okay, so it has this Velcro strip, so take that out. And basically I'm gonna stick this into my hair, and then this one is used to like wrap it around so that you can't see my bun, I guess. Let's see how this works. All right, guys, so this is my final look and I am so happy with the way that it came out, guys. This was my first time, so cut me some slack. What I do need to do next time when I buy a ponytail is just make sure that it's thicker, because I have a lot of hair and I have like a big bun, so I don't want it to look like too off. I say for my first try, this is really good. I'm gonna literally leave my hair like this for tomorrow. I'm just gonna wrap my hair so that my edges could stay laid, you know, and like this gets flat. And that's pretty much it, guys. I have tomorrow's hairstyle done. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel, Katie So Curly, and I'll see you guys next time.